think your fishing setup is complete? Without the right leader, you might be losing out on your best catch yet. Find out why in today's video. From the moment I spooled the Seaguar Blue Label fishing leader onto my rig, I could tell this product was designed for anglers who demand reliability. This fluorocarbon leader is respected for its impressive strength-to-diameter ratio and top-notch abrasion resistance, so you can confidently cast even in waters thick with structure or debris. Sliding your fingers along the line, you'll notice how smooth and flexible it feels, reducing tangles and knot failures during those critical moments. It holds knots securely and vanishes underwater, truly making a difference in clear water situations. Have you ever missed that one big catch due to visible gear? That won't happen here. Trying out the big worm fishing leaders with swivels felt like making life easier out on the water. These steel leaders are rugged and come ready to use, fitted with solid swivels and snaps. Perfect if you want to spend less time rigging and more time casting. Each leader is designed to resist biting from toothy predators like pike and muskie, giving you confidence when targeting tough species. The attached swivel helps cut down on frustrating line twists, so your lure action stays sharp and natural, ready to fish straight out of the packet. How often can you say that about new gear? When I picked up the Zacy fluorocarbon fishing leaders, what stood out immediately was the excellent balance of sensitivity and stealth. Designed from high-quality fluorocarbon, this leader is practically invisible in water, giving you a serious edge in pressured fisheries where presentation counts. Handling this leader, you'll find it's supple enough for easy knot tying but stiff enough to resist coiling. Light hits translate right down to your hands, so missing subtle bites becomes a thing of the past. Isn't that exactly what we look for when chasing finicky fish? The Scottank fishing leaders made a strong impression from the very first outing. Crafted from stainless steel and featuring smooth barrel swivels, they stand up to punishing conditions and aggressive strikes, making them ideal for pike, muskie, and saltwater action. What I appreciate most is their durability. The wire material shrugs off sharp teeth and rough structures, letting you fish confidently in challenging spots. Have you ever wanted to target toothy species without worrying about constant retying? Scottank makes that possible. After field testing the Yodo fishing leaders, I was impressed by the blend of flexibility and resilience they offered. Made for versatility, these wire leaders come with reliable snaps and swivels, so switching lures on the fly is smoother than ever. They're surprisingly lightweight, yet tough enough to handle strikes from aggressive fish, whether you're in freshwater or heading out saltwater fishing. Isn't it great when one tool fits so many situations? When it comes to value and dependable performance, the reaction tackle fishing leaders quickly found a spot among my favorite gear. Built from abrasion-resistant stainless steel and fitted with solid swivels, these leaders thrive in demanding conditions and help you worry less about bite-offs. They offer excellent line memory and flexibility, making them easy to store and deploy when the bite is hot. Have you ever lost a fish to a snap line and vowed never again? With reaction tackle, you can confidently chase larger species.